Setting objectives is a proven way of providing direction and promoting action towards goal-related activities in small and large organisations. This course starts by looking at objective setting within the context of the yearly performance management cycle and explains how this determines the stepping stones on the path towards achieving goals. The benefits of objective setting are summarised for employees, managers and organisations as a whole. You'll learn how objectives are created and aligned with departmental and organisational goals. In addition, the course will detail how to get SMART objectives and provide you with a technique for managers to use themselves before starting the SMART employee appraisal process to ensure objectives meet these criteria. We'll also consider the barriers to setting objectives and detail ways in which they can be overcome. Finally, there are some useful practical tips for objective setting, including the optimum number of objectives and how to carry out formal reviews. The course is delivered online, so it can be taken at your own pace and at a time that's convenient for you. To find out more, sign up for a free trial or give us a call today.